How to fix ThinkPhone 25 Play Store not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. And then click on see all apps. And scroll down and click on Google Play Store. And then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear your Google Play Store cache memory. After clear the cache memory and storage, then go back and check your internet connection will work properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time and then click on restart. After restart the device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.